Hello, my name is Hernan Rodriguez, and this is a video for the class CIT 336 backend development for the enhancement for activity. So in this enhancement, we had to create a view for product management, going inside the products folder and using the index.php that would be the controller for this section. We get to this page right here, and then we have two links, one for a new category. So if we go inside, this goes to the controller and is going to trigger the switch with the action value cat, and is going to bring us to this view right here. And if we put something inside this category, test category, for example, and we click on send, it's going to send us, insert that into the database, and then it's going to send us back to the product management. If I refresh here the page, we see that test category is added to the list of all categories here in this bar. And if we go to the database, we're going to be able to see that in the table of categories, the category test has been added. So if I open the Acme database, and go to categories table, we're going to see that test category was added. So if I go back to category, new category, and don't put nothing in, and click and send, nothing is going to be sent to the database, and this message, error message, is going to appear, showing that we have to complete this form. And this is this comes from the backend, so this is a backend validation. So if we go back to the product management and go to new product, we're going to see another view with the action value prod, and this is going to select, going to show us this view right here. So if we fill in the information, this, for example, as we can see, is a dynamic list that is going to bring all the categories from the database. Put something like this, test prod test. This is hard coded, and here we put add the product. Congratulations, test prod was successfully added. So if we go back to our database and we go to the Acme database, go to inventory, we go down, we see the test prod testing was added successfully to the database. So if we come here and, for example, we don't fill in a few things from the form, and then we try to add the product, then it's going to send an error message saying please provide information for all the fields in the form. So if we so that's the functionality that we had to work during these 2 weeks for CSS. I'm only using for this project only one CSS file, and every style, every class is stored in this CSS. So passing the test, it shows that everything's okay. And well, that's all the assignment that we had to do for this week, and hopefully everything is completed. So thanks very much.